Namaste and welcome back to Kathaloka. I welcome you all for the last session of the Narada series. Today, I will be narrating a story where I will tell you why Lord Hanuman and Lord Shaneshwara are worshipped on a Saturday. Shall we begin? Alright. Lord Shaneshwara refers to one of the Navagrahas or the 9 planets. He refers to the planet Saturn. He is the God who blesses us according to our actions, our thoughts, and our behavior. He is the God of karma. As we know, the king of Lanka, Ravana, was a very wise man. He was a great scholar of astrology. So, during this, he had captured all the 9 Navagrahas. And he had made them face in such a place where it favors only him. Now, all the Navagrahas were facing only to favor Ravana. All the Devatas were extremely worried. They were thinking, well, if this is how it's going to be, Ravana is going to ruin us. What shall we do? We are doomed. Being extremely worried and not knowing what to do, they asked Shaneshwar, what can be done? How do we defeat Ravana? We have tried everything. We are not able to defeat him nor his son Indrajit. What shall we do? While thinking about this, Shaneshwara gave a solution. He said, well, see, if I am able to see Ravana, then I can do something. I can change all the 9 Navagrahas' position to favor the Devatas. But as Shaneshwara was already captured by Ravana, it was impossible for him to do anything. Now all the Devatas sat and were worried. Now what do we do? If it's going to be like this, even he'll rule over the Devaloka. If he rules over the Devaloka, where do we go? He'll ruin us. While thinking about this, they got an idea. Why don't we ask Narada Muni to go to Lanka and try convincing Ravana to make all the Navagrahas face him? But all of them thought, I think this should work. So all the Devatas gathered and went to Narada Muni. And they asked him, Narada, we have a very important task for you. Can you please go to Lanka and talk to Ravana? Narada felt extremely happy and very important. He said, yes, of course I will go to Lanka. So he said, Narayana, Narayana, and went to Lanka. He arrived and saw all the Navagrahas in front of Ravana's feet. He said, okay, now how will I make Ravana shift them towards him? Then Narada got an idea. He said, oh Ravana, the powerful one, the invincible one, I am so happy to see you today. Ravana welcomed Narada Muni and said, welcome Narada, what brings you here? Narada told him, well, see Ravana, I was just passing by and I thought of meeting you. After all, you have captured all the Navagrahas and you are so powerful. I just wanted to meet you. He looked at the Navagrahas and said, well, Ravana, I have a doubt. Well, you have captured them. Why is it that you have made them face down? Instead, they should be facing you. And that too near your feet, like they are. Why are you making them face downwards? Ravana thought about it. That is a true point. So he immediately ordered all the Navagrahas to face him. As soon as he said that, even Shaneshwara had to face Ravana. As soon as Shani saw Ravana, all the problems in Ravana's life started. Now Ravana didn't understand why all the Navagrahas are facing me and favoring me, but still I'm in problems. Why is this happening? As Ravana was thinking, he realized that all the problem was because Shanishwara was looking at him. He immediately called his servant and asked Shanishwara to be locked in a dark room so that he doesn't see anybody. Years passed by and Shanishwara was locked in that dark room. During this phase, Ravana's misery did not reduce. During the same time, he went and captured Devi Sita and brought her to Lanka. In search of her came our mighty hero, Hanuman. As Lord Hanuman arrived, he was looking around for Devi Sita. He heard somebody cry and pleading for help. He looked around. Who is it? Can it be Devi Sita? As he was looking, he saw this room and he broke open this room and he saw Shanishwara. As soon as Shanishwara saw Hanuman, even Hanuman had to face problems. The power of Shanishwara was sat on Hanuman's forehead. So as Hanuman was defeating all the demons, it caused a lot of headache because actually the power is of Shanishwara. So he himself started feeling the headache. So he was like, no, ow, I can't bear this headache now. So he decided to leave Hanuman. So finally he thanked Hanuman for relieving him from the dark room. And he said, well, you have helped me. I will give you one boon. You can ask whatever you want. Lord Hanuman thought and said, okay, I want you to stay away from my devotees. Whoever worships me, I want you to not create a problem in their lives. Shanishwara said, okay. All those devotees who worship you on a Saturday, I will stay away from them. So, hence on a Saturday, we worship both Hanuman and Shanishwara. The moral of the story is, see, Narada had a very small role to play, but without his help, Shanishwara would not be able to see Ravana at all, and he would not be able to change the course of all the Navagrahas. Then the Devatas would never win. So, it does not matter on how big or small your role is, or how big or massive is your task. It's important that you give your 100%. And it's important that we keep our thoughts, our actions right. If we do that, even Lord Shaneshwara won't create problems for us. He'll help us. Shaneshwara is not the god of giving us troubles. He also gives us positive energy. You do right, he'll give you right returns as well. So, concentrate on what you do. Don't see how big or small the task is. You give your 100%, then you'll actually succeed. Nothing can stop you. When you are going to be so determined, even Shaneshwara will be on your side and help you move forward. So, never give up and always stick to what you believe. Even if it's small, even if it's big. I hope you liked this story. Please do like, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to comment. This is the last session for Narada series. Stay tuned for the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.